What if I told you the rice on your plate goes through a journey so advanced, so massive, and so precise that one tiny mistake could ruin thousands of kilograms in seconds? Welcome back to Process Insight. Today, we're stepping inside one of the most advanced mega rice factories in the world, where raw harvested paddy transforms into perfectly polished premium white rice through a fully automated, high-speed industrial system. From golden fields to giant silos to high-tech optical sorting machines and finally into perfectly sealed retail packs ready for global export, this is not just food processing. This is industrial precision at its highest level. Everything begins outside the factory gates. Massive trucks loaded with freshly harvested paddy arrive from farmlands, often within hours of cutting the crop. Timing is critical because the quality of rice starts degrading the moment it is harvested. Each truck carries tons of raw paddy still covered in husk, dust, and natural moisture. Before anything enters the production line, a strict inspection process begins. Moisture level testing, grain quality sampling, contamination checks, and weight verification. Only approved batches are allowed to enter the next stage. As the trucks tilt, golden paddy pours into underground receiving pits, marking the official start of its transformation journey. Once inside the system, raw paddy is far from ready. It first enters powerful cleaning machines designed to remove everything that doesn't belong. Stones, dust particles, broken husk, plant debris, metal impurities. Using vibration screens, air blowers, and gravity separation systems, the rice is purified step by step. The sound inside this section is intense. Constant mechanical vibration, airflow pressure, and conveyor movement. At this stage, the goal is simple. Only pure, clean paddy should move forward. Even a 1% impurity can affect thousands of kilograms later in production. In many mega factories, especially for premium export rice, a parboiling system is used. Here, paddy is soaked in controlled warm water tanks, steamed under precise temperature conditions, slowly dried to lock in nutrients. This process strengthens the grain and improves nutritional value, grain hardness, and final texture after cooking. Every second is controlled by automated sensors to ensure consistency across millions of grains. Now comes one of the most critical transformations. The cleaned paddy enters high-speed rubber roller huskers. These machines apply controlled friction to remove the outer husk without damaging the inner grain. The result? Brown rice emerges. Husk is separated and collected for byproducts. Nothing is wasted. Even husk is reused for animal feed, biomass energy, and industrial fuel. This is where efficiency meets sustainability. At this stage, brown rice still has a thin bran layer. To achieve premium white rice quality, it goes through whitening machines. Inside, the grains gently rub against abrasive surfaces, slowly removing the outer layers. Then comes polishing. This is where rice transforms visually from dull brown to bright, smooth, premium white grains. Air polishing systems may also be used to enhance shine without breaking grains. This step defines the market value of rice. Appearance matters in global trade. Now we enter one of the most futuristic sections of the factory. High-speed optical color sorters scan every single grain using cameras and sensors. At speeds of thousands of grains per second, the system detects discolored grains, broken rice, chalky particles, and foreign materials. Then, using air jets, defective grains are instantly removed. It's almost like artificial intelligence inspecting rice grain by grain. Only perfect grains continue forward. Next, rice is separated into categories based on grain length, thickness, breakage percentage, quality grade standards. This ensures that premium export rice, standard retail rice, and industrial rice all get separated properly. Every category has its own value in the global market.
Precision here determines profit. Now the polished rice is transferred into massive vertical silos. These silos store thousands of tons, maintain temperature control, prevent moisture damage, protect against contamination. Automated systems monitor humidity, internal temperature, and grain flow pressure. This is where rice waits before packaging, safe, stable, and ready. This is one of the most visually satisfying parts of the entire factory. Rice flows from silos into high-speed packaging machines. The process includes automatic weighing, bag filling, heat sealing, label printing, and batch coding. Everything happens in seconds. Workers mainly monitor screens instead of manually handling products. From 1 kilogram retail packs to 50 kilogram industrial bags, everything is handled on the same system. Before leaving the factory, random samples are taken for final inspection. Cooking test, grain uniformity check, moisture verification, and packaging durability test. Only batches that pass all standards are approved for export. Quality is non-negotiable.
Finally, the packaged rice is loaded into shipping containers. From here, it travels across supermarkets, restaurants, hotels, and international markets. What started as raw paddy in a field now becomes a global food product. And that is the complete journey of rice inside a mega industrial factory. From raw harvest to advanced cleaning to AI-based sorting and finally premium packaging, every grain goes through science, technology, and precision engineering. If you enjoyed this inside look into industrial processing, make sure to subscribe to Process Insight, because here we don't just show factories, we reveal how the world is built.